About to try to see if I can get one of those radiators to work. The little clutch fan. The little clutch fan don't be doing enough at idle. It's fine as long as you're driving, but I'm a fat nigga. I like to sit in AC during the summertime and just chill when everybody else doing their thing. I just be sitting there chilling. So gotta figure out this radiator thing, see how I'm gonna make this work. I'll put y'all back on when I get something substantial. If I get done in town, I might start playing with the sanding on the roof. But I don't. Once again, engine went out on this, down in one car. Got this one in. This for the Camaro, so it ain't big enough, but it should work. I just really need the electric fans. About to figure out how to wire these up. I got the relays, cooler temperature switch, but just need to see where everything go. Oh, that's the cooler temperature switch right there. Alright, so I'm gonna explain this wire to run these fans. We're gonna start by the black wire. The black wire goes to a ground and to the cooling temperature switch. That's to cut the fans on and off. The blue wire goes to your fans. That's so your fans get power. The red wire with the fuse goes straight to the battery. If you want, you can run the white wire straight to the battery as well, but then if your engine is off and the coolant's still above the coolant temperature switch level, the fans is going to stay running, which I might do. I kind of like the thought of that, but the proper way is the white wire goes to switch power, which I'll probably use one of those relays up there instead of trying to run it all the way back to the fuse, which is inside the car. So yeah, that's it. I'm not too sure about which numbers or which. I can do the research and put it back up on the screen, but yeah, that's it. If I'm not mistaken, I believe 85 is red, 86 is white, 87 is 30. No, 87 is blue, I meant, and 30 is the ground. And I believe this is just for these Alloy Works ones, the Chinese eBay electric fan setups. I'm still going to take off that right there, the mechanical fan, but I just want to make sure all of this work before I do. Yeah, once again, to run this relay, you tap that to a ground, and the other end of that goes to coolant temperature switch. The red wire goes straight to a battery, the blue wire goes to your fan, and the white goes to the key power switch. Alright, I'm gonna hook it up and I'll come back and show y'all. I ain't taking the mechanical off yet because I want to see